and the rest of our coaching staff. We have a wonderful coaching staff. But please don't underestimate that. Please take notice the way these young men communicate with these young men we have in that locker room and the way they communicate with one another. And it seems like every time we lose, we gain. Every time we lose someone, we gain someone, and which is kind of a more, I'm not going to say a better fit, but a more pleasant fit, if I'm analyzing that correctly. I'm trying to be kind.
Thank you over there, Pat. Go ahead, Pat.
Hey, Coach, how you doing?
How you
Pat
doing,
Graham.
sir?
I'm doing great, thanks. Like the hat.
Awesome. Thank you.
Hey, two-parter here. You've brought in obviously a lot of Gold Jackets to help with this team. Any hints on who might be coming in next?
No, I don't hint. I just do it. They just commented out. They hear. There wasn't no hint with Marshall, was it? Did out. Some of y'all try to break the story. I ain't gonna call it no names.
I called him.
Huh?
I called him.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And you knew all along. Thank you for being who you are and valuing our relationship.
Yes, sir.
He already knew.
And my second part is, I know how much you love it.
Hey, buddy. Come on, Rob. Jersey on. Jersey on.
55, you think you whooping somebody out there, I see. Don't get to it, buddy. Don't get to it, buddy.
It is.
Jay Mack from Syracuse, New York, man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch? They brought you out here.
The pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Away from Texas. Yes, sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your up on game.
That's available to practice and participate. Therefore, when we get these limited reps, they got to be all out. We can't half do it. We can't just mail it in. We can't just do it thinking nobody's looking, because there's always a camera on you everywhere. Today we're gonna have grades. Now, don't get sensitive. Don't get not understanding what we're trying to do. We're trying to advance. But coaches, I want y'all to keep it a buck on these grades. Let's start with
He stayed front side. Be quick where he ain't got nowhere to go. You got nowhere to go when you meet him in there. Instead of sitting and waiting, instead of like sitting and waiting, you can go beat him and he ain't got nowhere to go. Trees down. Right, that's it. If you keep your shoulder square, he can make that cut. If he this way, he can't make that cut. That's why you shoulder square. With a play that's not blocked perfect. Like we're prepared for plays that aren't blocked perfect. And when they are blocked perfect, we make minimum movement. outside zone, you pressed it, and you make the jump cut at the last minute and it was over. All right, so great job right there on taking the teaching from pre-practice, all right, and applying it out there. Good job. That's it.
I'm about to put my life in y'all's hands.
No, these hands certified over here.
I'm trusting them.
See? Showing out for the camera. Nah, you know it's been a while, so
I ain't gonna lie, I moved my head on that one. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Big George, not little George. I got two Georges. Got Big George.
Oh, yeah. Hey, fellas, listen. The important thing is we got to start approaching practice like we are getting better every single day. Every single day we got to come out here like there is something that we know we need to work on, and we work on it. The best thing I saw today was everybody was competing with everybody else. We went from the first half, we did some good things, we came in the second half, we finished up clean. Now we got to stack days like Marshall talks about. How are we going to stack days? You got to stack practices, you got to stack study habits, you got to stack nutritional values, all those things you got to start putting together. We got to play as a team, practice as a team. Everybody got it? Yes, sir. Bring it up. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get better on three. 1, 2, 3. Get better.
Here we go. Bring it up. That's a big boy, huh? Good speech right there. Hey, boys, hey, good shit today, man. That's the way to go. Keep on stacking, right? Today, man, was a lot better than yesterday. I felt like getting out blocks. Seen a lot of you guys getting out blocks. 3 techniques were getting better. Noses were getting better. Hell yeah, we were striking. And then we went to the one-on-ones with the O-line on that pod period. Did a hell of a fucking job, boys. Keep on getting better. Keep on striking, right? You never know in this fucking game, bro. You never know when it's gonna be your last play. You know what I mean? Yeah. Imagine if today we woke up and said, "Hey, man, this might be your last practice ever." How fucking hard are you gonna go, right? So every day we come out here, play like it's your motherfucking last play. All right, boys?
I got this fucking 17 years ago with my last motherfucking play. So.
Right?
That shit go fast. That shit go fast. That shit go fast, nigga. D-line on 3, D-line on me. 1, 2, 3.
D-line! What's love, y'all?
Hey, 17 years. Get your ass. Stop walking. Stop walking. Stop walking.
Appreciate you, man.
Every time.
Hell yeah.
It's just cutting good. We got a forest in front of us. Cut one tree at a time.
I'm telling you some shit.
Okay, don't be that yes but coach guy. Yes but guys, that means you're not gonna hear shit I gotta say because you're so concerned about waiting on me to finish so you can say what you gotta say. I'm not interested in what you have to say. If I'm interested in what you have to say, I'll say, Joseph, tell me what you thought. Okay? But if I come to you, hey Joseph, you need to do, then Joseph needs to listen. Don't be that yes but coach. Yeah? Shotty, take it.
All right, look, check it in. What I'm gonna talk about is one thing that I hear a lot is opportunity. Everybody wants to talk about opportunity, right? But all I want to know is what you're gonna do when you get that opportunity. Are you taking advantage of your moment? Because I can look around right now, and I can't sit up here and 100% say that we all are taking advantage of our moment right now. Everybody getting a chance. Everybody getting a shot. We do grades every day. Everybody getting reps. If you don't get reps, then you got to capitalize on what you do get. You get 2 reps, it better be the best 2 you do. You feel me? And sometimes we got to understand that we got to take a look in the mirror at ourselves and understand, look, did I take advantage of my opportunity? They put me out there. I don't care about what the quarterback do. I don't care about what the O-line do, what the running backs do. All I care about is what we do, right? Take advantage of your opportunity. And I speak all the time about it. It ain't how we start, it's how we what? Finish. We ain't finished well, bro. That last drill we just did, there's no reason why we should have like 2 MAs on that last drill. Was it full speed? It was all mental. And that's the same thing that me and Coach preach about all the time. When we get tired, we start to lose mentality-wise. We start to lose. We get weak in the mind. It's a mindset thing. When we get weak in the mind, we get tired. We got to overpower that. You feel me? We got to overpower that. There's no reason why we should be going lids and we running horo to the lid side. We shouldn't be running horo anyway when it's outside zones. And then we go back and go rip and we're doing horo again. Mentally, right? Mentality, mindset, control that. That's one thing we can control is our mindset, right? Our mindset, right? And what you're going to do with your opportunity. Don't present itself, right? Let's be better tomorrow.
SOB on me, SOB on 3, 1, 2, 3.
SOB.
Stop by our office, man, and pick up them tests. You guys got a couple days off, so make sure you get your rest, but lock in memory.
So where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bring it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's
dog.
why I gave them to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.